Hi boys and girls. For today's warm-up, we're going to be reviewing some of those double letter spellings that we've been studying so far. What is a double letter spelling? Well, it just means that there's two of the same letter sitting side by side in a word. When you see two of the same letters sitting side by side, it just stands for one sound. Okay? Now, I have a question before we start. Hopefully you can remember the answer. Where do we usually find those double letters in a word? Would we find them usually at the beginning of the word, middle of the word, or the end of the word? If you said that we usually find them at the end of a word, you are correct. But we can also sometimes find those double letter spellings in the middle of a word, especially if the word is a little bit longer. So we usually find them at the end of the word, but we can also find them in the middle of the word. Great job. Okay, so we're going to review about 7 different double letter spellings today. The first one is that BB spelling, and that just makes the B sound. Okay. The next double letter spelling that I want to review is right here in the middle. It's that DD. And when you see that DD together, it just makes the D sound, like in add. Great job. The next sound I want to review is that CC sound. So you can see it right here. When you see CC together, it makes the K sound. And these should all already be outlined in red, because when we see these double letter spellings together on our word cards, they will be written in red. The next sound is right here, that CK. When you see that CK together, it just makes the K sound. Excellent. All right, the next double letter spelling that I want to review is that GG sound. Right here where I'm outlining. When we see GG together, it makes the G sound, like in egg. Great job. The next double letter spelling, yeah, I bet you already found it. It's that FF sound. FF makes the sound like in stuff. All right, we're already on to our last double letter spelling, and it's that LL sound. The LL spelling makes the O sound, like in bell. All right, great job, you guys. Remember, when you see those two consonants, the same letter side by side, it just stands for one consonant sound. Excellent work today, my friends.